Today I'm going to teach you how to install the standard plastic Durastall shower mixer valve and shower head using PEX tubing and braided metal hoses. So after installing 3 Durastall showers, here's what I discovered is the best and easy setup. Now I want to point out the first time I installed the standard Durastall shower mixer valve and head, I used all galvanized pipes and braided metal hoses. This included 90-degree elbows with female threads on both ends. This required that I use connectors and a short length of galvanized pipe to get everything to fit together properly. Now this does work, but there is an easier and less expensive way. And this is how I did it. I used 90-degree galvanized elbows, but one end has female threads and the other end male threads. By doing this, you avoid all the extra galvanized fittings. You will still use 2 braided metal hoses. Now, by the way, the official name of these braided metal hoses is engineered polymer braid. Now, the length of these hoses depends on the location of your water supply line. Now let's talk about connecting the shower head to the mixer valve. Now, during my first installation, I used only a braided metal hose. This made for a very tight fit in the wall. Now, there was a potential that when I pushed the shower to the wall, that I could have kinked the hoses. My new and better way is using 1/2 inch PEX tubing and 2 90-degree PEX elbows. This allows the PEX tubing to stay really close to the Durastall shower and fit in very tight spaces. The PEX 90-degree elbows only cost about $5 at Home Depot. Now alternatively, you could use the same 90-degree galvanized elbows with half male and half female threads with a braided metal hose. Slightly more expensive, but if you don't have the PEX crimping tool that costs about $25, it could be more cost effective. So those are your 2 options there. Now the reason why you need to use metal hoses to connect to the main water supply is that with the Durastall, the shower mixer valve and the shower head need to be attached to the Durastall shower panel first, and then the entire shower is pushed up against the wall. You'll need 1 to 2 feet of clearance between the wall and the shower to allow your hands room to hook up the plumbing. Now, just a couple points I wanted to make. You want to wrap Teflon tape onto the threads of all the galvanized piping as well as the PEX elbows. Now, the second point is there are 2 types of metal 90-degree elbows. One is the galvanized and one is the black iron. You want to use the galvanized type, which is for water pipes. The black iron is for gas pipes, gas lines, and also the ends where the threads are, it's tapered, and it makes it really difficult to screw on a metal hose. So definitely you want to stick with the galvanized. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and click the like button. Thank you.